Chapter 4: Environmental Labeling, Product Declarations, and its relation with circular economy. The European Commission emphasizes in its Action Plan for the Circular Economy the importance of standardization in the communication of the environmental aspects of products and services. In this chapter, we will analyze different types of labels regarding circular economy proposals. We will start by defining ISO labels and product declarations, and later we'll see labels based on the lifespan of a product. Environmental labeling, or eco-label, guarantees that a product or service complies with the environmental quality requirements beyond what the law establishes. It provides the consumer with clear and homogeneous information on the environmental aspects of products and services. Environmental labels do not refer exclusively to the circular economy concept. However, they usually include requirements related to the approach of closing the loop. The ISO 14020 series of standards contains principles and guidelines for environmental claims and declarations which are useful in the circular economy context. There are three types of environmental labels: Type 1, Type 2, and Type 3. Type 1 labels are third-party labels that indicate voluntary conformance to predetermined multi-attribute criteria. They identify environmentally preferable products within a particular product category based upon life cycle considerations. Some examples include the European Union Ecolabel, the German Blue Angel, and the Nordic countries, the Nordic Swan Ecolabels. You can visit their websites by clicking on the icons. Type 2 labels are self-declared claims made by manufacturers, importers, distributors, or retailers focusing on environmental improvement of some specific aspect of their products, such as energy consumption or recycled content. Some examples include Energy Star, Green Guard certification, and WaterSense. You can visit their websites by clicking on the icons. Type 3 labels are often referred to as Environmental Product Declarations, or EPD. These labels present comprehensive product information based on quantitative validated life cycle assessment studies. Examples include BAU EPD, DAP Habitat, the International EPD System, ASTM International, EBU, and ENOR Global EPD. You can click on the icons and visit their websites. Additionally, there are specific environmental labeling programs related to the content of recycled materials of products, like those in the images. Regarding lifespan labeling, new initiatives and discussions are arising in relation to product labeling and circular economy, with the aim of reducing obsolescence. This label would measure the repairability, sturdiness, and durability level of products. We can see three different examples in the image. For further information and complete references, please consult the full text of the module.